Hey guys, I'm back with another video and I'm going to be doing January 2018 Ipsy unbagging, and I sound pretty bad because I'm literally like almost getting over a cold. It sucks because I'm pregnant. I'm 8 months pregnant now and I can't take no medicine except for Tylenol, which isn't really helping me at all. So yeah, I have viral pharyngitis right now, but I'm on the better side of the spectrum right now. Before I unbag this Ipsy, I'm going to say I normally like to do my unbaggings in a try-on style, but I'm not going to be doing that because right after this, I'm going to be filming trying new makeup, full face first impressions, and I do want to use some of the stuff that's in here in that video, so I am going to be swatching them, or whatever I can swatch. I'll swatch here, but I won't be putting it on my face. So this should be a very quick video for you guys. Let's just get into unbagging this Ipsy. So while I open this Ipsy, I'm going to explain to you guys what it is for anyone who's watching my videos and doesn't know exactly what it is. It's a monthly subscription that you pay $10 for, and they send you like 5 sample products. Sometimes they will send you a full-size product. Usually it's like a lippy or eyeliner, but most likely it'll be a sample size. I will leave the link for it down below. If you want to join and try it out for yourself, then you can. So now let's get into what I got. Okay, so this is the bag for this month. This kind of looks like a really sporty athletic type of bag. This is like a mesh material. These look like the tips of shoelaces. I mean, the only thing I really like is this pink neon color. I really don't like the way this feels. It feels really weird, but this is what the bag looks like. I got these 2 masks outside of the bag. They're from Bio Republic Skincare. One is an Aloe Rescue mask. The other one is a pomegranate crush mask. The Aloe Rescue mask is a revitalizing fiber sheet mask with vitamin E for all skin types, and it's cruelty-free. And then the pomegranate crush one is an illuminating fiber sheet mask with vitamin E for all skin types, also cruelty-free. This one says after sun up here, and then this one says brightening, but this is what they look like. Moving on to what's inside my Ipsy bag. So the card for January says, I will conquer. This is what it looks like. Then first thing I see in here is this Be Fine Food Skincare Exfoliating Cleanser with brown sugar, sweet almond, and oats. It has 1 ounce of product. That should be fun. I like a good exfoliant. So the third thing that I got was this Ciate London Fierce Flicks eyeliner, and I think it's a felt tip. This is what it looks like. Okay, so this is definitely a felt tip, and this is what it looks like swatched. It's very pigmented, very creamy, very smooth. It seems like it went on very easily, so hopefully it's easy for me to create a wing liner with this. It's definitely drying down, very black, very pigmented, so very happy with this. You can never go wrong with an eyeliner. Next is this Bella Pierre Cosmetics Stay Put Brow Gel. It's in the shade Licorice. This is what it looks like. It is so small and cute. Like, look how cute that is. Okay, so with this product, there is a brush, which is like this half. You can pull it out. Ow. And then click it in backwards, like so. And then use it to go into the brow gel. And this is the color. It looks pretty dark, so let's swatch it. I mean, it's a pretty dark brown. Maybe I'll use it like to fill in the tip of my eyebrows or something, but that's what that looks like. Seems like it works pretty decent. It's very pigmented. It's not, you know, too stiff or nothing. So can't wait to use that in my full face of first impressions. And then for my fifth and last product, I got a NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade Liply or Liply number 5. And that's what it looks like. That's the applicator. It's pretty big. And then this is the color. It doesn't have like a really crazy scent or anything. It smells like a normal lipstick. And that's the swatch. I actually like that color. I think it'll be a pretty color to try in my next video. So that is everything that I got in my Ipsy. I am pretty satisfied with everything that I received. I'm pretty sure I'm going to use almost every single product, which I'm not sure if that happened before. I don't remember, but if it didn't, this is the first. I love face mask, sheet mask, anything for my face, I love. So I'm definitely going to be using these masks. And the exfoliant, I love to exfoliate my face, especially now in the winter, especially when it gets a little bit dry. I needed a new eyeliner, so I will definitely be using the eyeliner. It's always fun to experiment with new brow products, so can't wait to use that. I mean, not really my color, but we will see. And who could go wrong with the lippy? This is what I meant about, you know, the majority of the stuff being sample sizes, but if you do get a full-size product, it'd either be a lippy, eyeliner, or a face mask. So you can't go wrong. Again, if you want to try it, I will leave the link to sign up for Ipsy down below in the description box. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if you want to continue watching them, then hit that subscribe button, because I will be uploading these monthly as they come to me monthly. And hit the notification bell right next to it so you can stay updated when I do post a video. Drop a comment down below if you do get Ipsy and what you get in yours. If you have any questions, drop them down below as well. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.